You can order the tailgate handle used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access the tailgate handle on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. Using a Torx T30 bit, remove the 8 retaining screws from the tailgate's plastic protector. Then, remove it. Remove the protective metal plate to gain access to the opening mechanism. You can now access the opening mechanism.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Using a flathead screwdriver, press on the backup camera's power connector to disconnect it. Then, using a ratchet, a small extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 2 retaining nuts from the tailgate handle. Remove the nuts with a magnetic extender. You can now extract the tailgate handle from underneath by holding the opening mechanism with your fingers. Then, using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the lock. Then, remove it. You can install it on the new tailgate handle later. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a Torx T20 bit, unscrew the backup camera's 2 retaining screws. Then, remove it. You can install it on the new tailgate handle later. You can order the tailgate handle used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new tailgate handle. Put the backup camera in place. Then reinstall its screws. Put the lock back in place. Then reinstall its screws.
If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Replace the tailgate handle by inserting the top part of the handle first. Then, thread the 2 screws holding the tailgate handle into the opening mechanism. Screw the 2 nuts back in. Before closing the assembly, we advise you to test the opening and locking system to make sure it works. Reconnect the backup camera. Put the metal protection plate back on. Put the plastic protective cover back. Then screw it back on. Operation complete.